Hello, I will show you how to log into LinkedIn Learning with your UDC account. First, you can access the LinkedIn Learning login page by going to the PDF instructions and clicking on this link right here. After clicking on the link in the PDF instructions, you can input your UDC email. Alternatively, you can also go to linkedin.com/learning-login. After you input your UDC email for the first time, it will take you to this page that says Continue to the University of the District of Columbia LinkedIn Learning account. Please click here. And that will take you to our single sign-on page. And input your email one more time. After logging in, if this is your first time logging into LinkedIn Learning, you will see this page that says Learn skills to help you reach your career goal. Please choose an option that best fits for you and press Continue or I'm not sure. Now you will see this page that says Connect your LinkedIn account for the best learning experience. Connecting your LinkedIn account is optional, so you can either choose to connect LinkedIn account or skip for now. In this example, I will choose Skip for now. Next, you can please tell us your current job title. We use your current role to connect you with personalized learning content and job opportunities. So I will put an example job title here and press Continue. Now it will connect with different skill sets that I can see right here, and I'll go ahead and press Continue. And now I can set a weekly learning goal. This is a great way for you to track your progress and continue learning with LinkedIn. You can either set a goal, here an example, it says 30 minutes, or I can choose Skip for now. And now you will see some example courses on the screen. You can browse your library or discover other courses. And now you're all set. You are able to start your LinkedIn learning journey. If, for example, I want to learn a specific subject like virtual reality, I can go ahead and input that at the top, and I can find all the courses that are related to that topic. Have fun and enjoy.